What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so as you can see by now, it's already becoming springtime, and normally around springtime we start seeing a lot of weeds on the lawn. So today I'm going to be showing you how to mix up your own concentrate of some weed killer. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alrighty guys, so the product I'm going to be using today is Ortho Weed Begun, and this is actually the concentrate form of it, I guess you can say. So I'm going to show you guys how to mix this up. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can use it with the Ortho dial, or you can do it the way I'm going to do it today, which is just using this little pump sprayer right here. So it's actually pretty easy, guys, just to mix it up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so to mix this, it's actually pretty simple if you follow the directions. It's right here in the back. So all we're going to do is we're going to add 2.5 ounces of the concentrate right into your tank. And then right here it says we're going to add, well, basically every gallon of water is for 400 square feet. So this tank that I have right here is actually just 1 gallon. So I'm just going to add 2.5 ounces of the concentrate, fill this up to the 1 gallon mark, and just mix it up a little bit and be ready to go. Let's go ahead and add this up and mix it, and we're ready to spray. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add our mixture. So the cool thing about this, it actually comes, the cap is also the measuring cup. So if you look inside here, we've got the milliliters, and then we got the ounces on this side. So we're gonna add 2.5 ounces, just like it says. Right about there. Go add that to our tank. All right. Next, we're just going to fill this up to the 1 gallon mark. Give it a little stir, and then we're ready to spray, guys. Alright, it's filled up. Go ahead and adjust this, tighten it up. Then we'll go ahead and pump this up, and we'll be ready to spray, guys. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Like I said, it was pretty simple. Like I said, just adding 2.5 of this to 1 gallon of water. It's going to cover 400 square feet. And like I said, 400 square feet is plenty because I just do spot spray. So I'm only spraying where the weeds are at. I'm not, because I also sell, the same brand sells one where you hook up to your water hose and you could do the whole lawn if you want to do it that way. That works really well as well. I just prefer this one. That way I just concentrate only on the weeds. And it works pretty good, guys. I would recommend this. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and please guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.